Sure, sir.
This will be a digital classes for this whatever we are offering, so that kids don't spend their time on screen, because it's a health concern also in that age to sit in front of the screen and learn something, and possibilities are there because their eyes and all, so we care for that. So this is a digital concept what we are talking about. It is not online concept.
Yeah, but
So-
sir, Rajiv sir, one more doubt on this. Few teachers, if they want to take once or twice, if they want to take their online,
that we can organize. That we can organize. Online we can take once in a week or twice in a week, something like that. But that will be a fees will be a different for that. They can charge for that online classes. So Atul sir, can you put a light on this?
If they themselves are teacher, then can they go online and meet their kids?
They
and talk
can,
to
na?
them?
Yeah, they
Yeah,
can.
so
They
no?
can.
Yeah, okay. So clarity, a little bit clarity, wherein I will take it up through some explanation and our experience that we have gained during the 7 batches that we have conducted. Initially, we wanted to do online, go online on a daily basis, engage with them and all of that, which was planned. It flopped utterly. पूरा flop show हो गया, क्योंकि इस उम्र के बच्चे एक जगह पे बिठाना माँ बाप के लिए बहुत परेशानी की बात होती है. And that too, if we say morning 11 to 12, or for example afternoon 3:30 to 4:30, वो टाइम टेबल में बैठता नहीं है. बच्चे, उनका मूड रहता है, उनके टेंट्रम्स रहते हैं, उनका टाइम टेबल अलग रहता है, उनका सोच अलग रहता है. उनको आप एक जगह पे अकेले बिठा नहीं सकते. स्कूल का माहौल अलग रहता है, वहां पे सब बच्चे रहते हैं, तो इट इज अ प्योर प्रेशर एंड इट्स द एनवायरमेंटल इफेक्ट दैट हैपेंस and children will sit and learn. But now the same thing what worked in the school earlier is not going to work now, right? So keeping that in mind, we enable the students through our teachers, of course, but involving the parent. Now जब सब कुछ घर पे ही हो रहा है, तो पेरेंट का इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी उतना ही है और जरूरी है. तो उसी का मद्देनजर रखते हुए उसको हमने सोच के, फीस इज नॉट अ कंस्ट्रेंट बिकॉज इट्स द मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल स्कूलिंग एट होम इन इंडिया. आई कैन चैलेंज दिस टू एनीबडी. If you get any schooling at home with all the things that we have executed in the last 7 batches, if there is anybody who can do this lesser than us, we will refund back your fees. That's the confidence we have, and the feedback has been very, very good, excellent feedback, which we can share going forward. But keeping all of this in mind, बच्चों का मूड, बच्चों का टाइम टेबल, बच्चों के हिसाब से उनको सीखना है, तो उनके हिसाब से सीखने के लिए we have given it completely physical. So while it is a digital approach, it is not an online class. ऑनलाइन क्लास में जो हम ऑनलाइन अभी इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, दिस इज एन ऑनलाइन मोड. ऐसे बच्चों के साथ नहीं होगा, ऐसे हम पेरेंट्स के साथ करते हैं. वंस इन अ वाइल वी हैव कांस्टेंट टच विद द पेरेंट्स फॉर गिविंग देम द डेली एक्टिविटी, वीकली प्लानर, monthly planner, assessments, and we also assess the children on a monthly basis and talk to the parents to ensure that they start focusing on their motor skills, fine motor skills, speech, writing skills, and a whole lot of other stuff. Yes, thank you, Raju sir, for bringing this out.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, can I speak now?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Ma'am, there is only one doubt that you have mentioned that there will be a workshop for the parents. Is it going to be conducted from your end, or do you have to conduct by ourselves with your guidance and all?
So it all depends as to whether you are taking AccuKid, the front end, then it would all be done by AccuKid. If you are doing it in your name, probably you have a brand of yours or you want to establish a brand of yours, you do it according to you. And we will be the invited speakers. We would be the subject matter experts for getting that conducted.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, see, before I called you up, just 5 to 10 minutes before I came to know. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Oh, yes, yes, please.
Yeah. So just before 10 minutes, I came to know about it, and then you told me about the Zoom meeting, and I joined it. I don't know anything about the institution or anything about the program which is conducted through y'all. So I'm staying at Lonavala. And I'm professionally a teacher and a teacher trainer too. I train preschool teachers.
Yeah, so
I had something.
This is basically to ensure that children of the preschool age, which is exactly your expertise, they don't lose out on the learning while they're sitting at home because schools are not going to open. So the schooling at home program provides them a learning environment in their home, which will help them in learning at their own pace, at their own place, in their own space, keeping in mind our complete timetable, our curriculum and our lesson plan, which would be shared on a daily basis with the parents, so that parents would ensure that they would get it done because it is activity based. It is fun, learning by fun, learning by activity, learning by doing, and stuff like that.
Okay. Any demos sort of lessons are there? Any demo which we can go through or just view?
Yes, we can share some details and some material that we already have used it in the last year.
Okay. That would be better to get an idea because I had this concept. Yeah, I had to do something for the children. Yeah.
Usha ma'am, you have my number also, right? I'll be sending you all the soft copies after the meeting. For everyone, I'll share my number, WhatsApp number. So whatever the soft copies, brochures you need, I'll be sending all of you. Just connect me after the meeting on my WhatsApp. So I'll be giving all the details.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Any particular registration or permission needed?
We are already registered and there is no further registration needed for the brand if you are using AccuKid today. If there is something from your side, the normal process has to be adhered to in terms of registration.
No. If we are doing it with you, anything like any rules, regulations or something?
Rules, regulations are nothing. So let me make it clear. This is not a franchisee building activity that we have started now. This is mainly to reach out as many teachers and as many students across India to ensure one thing to ensure that the students learn for sure. Yes. The other thing is to ensure that the teachers are made self-reliant, and our Atmanirbhar teacher program, which we can talk at a later point in time, also caters to ensuring that the teachers are enabled to enhance their teaching and reach out to more students.
Sir, if we are not having... Okay, sir, can I go? Sir, we don't have any brand name of myself and I just want to continue with your brand name. But when I talk to the parents, they just want, because some parents are not that educated and they don't know how to homeschool their children. So they will be asking some online classes for weekly twice or weekly thrice. Can we conduct it by our own way, or do we have to follow as you say like that?
Okay, so what we have is the easiest way of doing it because it is tried, tested and trusted for last 7 batches last year. Right? So that is anyway available to all of us, readily available. If we want to extend on that for getting some online interactions or online classes, you are free to do so. That would be over and above what we offer. If you want to offer, yes. If you want our help, it is available as well. And let me tell you, this is not a sales pitch that we are doing. This is not selling that we're doing. If you look at the costing, when you get to know, you will exactly understand what I'm talking about. This is not a money spinning exercise that we are into. This is something to do about extending our experience of providing learning at home.